What is up, beautiful babes? It has been a long time, over a year actually, since I have uploaded anything to YouTube. I filmed and then I looked at them and I was like so self-conscious. I was like, I can't post that. I won't post that. So yeah, I'm actually sitting down to hopefully I'll upload this. I don't, like as I'm filming this, I didn't notice that I did anything like that I would not upload. Today I am filming this makeup look right here. It is my everyday go-to makeup look. So without further ado, let's get on with this makeup tutorial. Please, if you like this video, like it and subscribe and become part of my YouTube fam. You totally ruined that sentimental moment that I was having with my camera. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I have already put my hair back because I cannot put my face on without my hair being out of my face. And I've already moisturized. So the first thing we're doing is I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte primer because I am unfortunately a grease monkey. So I need something that is going to stand, especially right now with it being summer, stand the heat and stand the sweat. So now I'm gonna go in with my Mitchell and Peach Fine Radiance Oil. I've had this stuff forever. I think I got it in an Ipsy when I first did Ipsy. I just dropped all the freaking, Next I go in with my MAC Fix Plus. This is the matte version and I'm gonna shake it and apply it to my face. This is going to assist my primers in shrinking my pores and keeping my oils from seeping through my makeup all day. So now I'm gonna be going in with my foundation. I am not the smartest person. I decided, because I had a MAC foundation, that I was going to put the pump on my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation, and it leaks, so it stays in a plastic bag. I am in shade, I think it's like 150, I don't know. Oh, I'm in 115 Ivory. Next, I'm gonna go in with my disgusting beauty sponge by Real Technique, and I'm gonna bounce my I don't swipe, and blend my foundation into my face. So next, really quickly, I'm going to comb through my brows. I don't want any foundation in them. And if I missed any spots, I want to make sure that I get them. I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. So I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe, as well as the Brow Definer in Soft Brown. So now I'm gonna set my face and I'm going to use the Unique Translucent Setting Powder. And I like this because it has like a powder or like a flour consistency. It's super fine. And so I first go in with my beauty blender with translucent powder on it, and I will set underneath my eyes because I don't, and then like go over my eyes because I don't want it to crease. And then I'm going to go in with this. I honestly do not know what brush this is. I have had these brushes and I probably need to get new ones for years. Like most of these you've probably seen in other videos. And I'm just gonna quickly set the rest of my face. For bronzer, I go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep. And I take that same brush and I'm pouncing in the product. And I bronze my cheekbones. And if you feel like I did, went a little too ham on the bronzer, I got a trick later that'll fix it. So let's go back to this situation. I am going back in with my translucent powder, and I first start with that little brush that I was using, and I pick up some powder on it, and we are going to blend out this area real quick. And then I'm gonna go in, now I'm gonna go in with that fluffier brush, pick up some more translucent powder, and blend this out too. Much better. So I'm not gonna go into blush today, but if I do, I go in with the NARS Orgasm blush. It is my all-time favorite, but I don't feel like blush today, so we're not going to apply it. This is the Becca Opal highlighter, and just look at that color. Oh my gosh. And I take that same small brush that I used to contour, and I press it into the highlighter, and I apply it to the high points. Oh, do you see that? And it just blends really nicely. So now that I'm done with my face, I'm gonna go in and set my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And now I'm just gonna go back in with my MAC Fix Plus, just to set everything. I could bathe in this stuff. So now we're gonna go in with eyes, and I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Laying Low. And I'm using a unique cream shadow brush to apply this. Let's zoom ya in for the eyes. For my eyeshadow, I usually just go with this palette. This is my go-to palette. This is the Morphe 9A palette, and just look, Like these are perfect everyday colors. And I usually stick with Myself. And then this is Splendid. And then like Witness. I usually mix all three of those and call it good. And I'm going to mix this shade, and this shade all together. Tap off the excess. And I start on my lid. And once most of the product's on my lid, then I will blend out. And if you want, you can take I call it a clean brush, but it's a clean-ish brush. It's stained pretty bad, but I just go in and I blend out the sides. And then whatever's left on this brush, I usually just drag it down. I'm going back into that Becca highlighter in Opal, and I take that same fluffy, floofy brush that I use to apply my eyeshadow, and I just apply this on like the center of my lid just to open everything up. This is the Kat Von D, like I think it's the Shade and Light like duo brush, and I will apply this in the inner corner too. Oh, there we go. And then I'll go back with whatever's left on that brow bone. I'm gonna tightline with my Unique Moonstruck Precision Pencil in Perfect. And then I bring a little bit, and I know you're not supposed to tug, but I do, about to the edge of my eye. So I'm gonna go in with mascara. This is the Tartist mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so happy to be back, hopefully back. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, any requests. I would love to hear from you. Also, please subscribe. I would love for you to be part of my family, my YouTube family. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!